Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we continue to talk about the interesting topics that we've been outlining for you. We continue talking about artificial intelligence, AI. As we previously noted, this is one of the greatest revolutionary inventions for the 21st century. AI is virtually in almost everywhere. Every industry, if you talk about petrochemicals, if you talk about information technology, you talk about medicine, engineering, construction, government, aerospace industry, virtually everywhere. So this is very critical. And remember, we talked about different ways in which you can generate revenue using this special general AI application that is called ChatGPT. So today we continue talking about ways in which you can use ChatGPT, which is an AI model. An AI model that has been used in different areas, but now we want to look at it, how you can improve your productivity using ChatGPT in the construction industry. So in the construction industry, we've got different aspects that makes up the whole of construction. We've got design and planning. We've got project management, and within project management, you must come up with cost. You must optimize your cost. You must come up with a construction schedule that helps you to track if you're within the completion timelines. We also have a budget that you work with. You must ensure that you don't overrun your budget. You remain within what you're supposed to spend. So this is very important. Then when it comes to your procurement, you need to understand your supply chain and optimize it. And the other component of success with construction is safety. Safety compliance is very critical. And the other bit that we will quickly talk about is customer interaction and support, EIA, environment impact analysis, predictive maintenance, labor training, skills development, then integration with other technologies. AI integrates well with other technologies. This is why it is infused in virtually all the fields that you can talk about: photography, audio generation. You've heard of the deepfakes, people speaking exactly like yourself, and it's something that is done within a short period of time. Just a voice of you can be used on AI, and then it can generate a whole lot of paragraph trying to mimic the way you speak. You've also seen pictures of people. Pictures of people. One picture, real picture, is enhanced using artificial intelligence, and then it becomes a more enhanced picture and a carbon copy of yourself. Let me use that word, carbon copy. So I'm just gonna quickly touch into these areas, and then I will leave more links on the comment section for you to follow up, do your research, because this is something that you don't need to be left behind. Also, that a very critical announcement that I am making is there is a free ebook on how you can use ChatGPT to further your understanding with regards to the construction elements that we are going to talk about. So just click on that link, follow the instructions, and then you will be able to have your copy of the ebook. Also, please subscribe to the channel and gives us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button to be able to push our footprint on the web. So how is AI helping in design and planning? AI, when you give it a prompt, it can quickly generate a design for you. For example, if you are an architect and you want to have a layout of a house, you can just give ChatGPT a prompt like, please outline for me a 3-bedroomed bungalow, and ChatGPT will do that for you. It's as easy as that. And also, for example, if you for example, for those of you who have used ArchiCAD, so there will be a plugin that you will just give ChatGPT. You will just give your instructions verbally through that plugin, and then it will be able to translate your instructions into the model that you want you to be developed. Like, for example, draw a slab that is 4 meters by 10 meters, 4 meters wide, 10 meters long, and then ArchiCAD will just do that for you. The slabs should be 250 millimeters, and it will be done for you. And when it comes to project management, so for your project, you have to come up with a schedule. When you're managing projects, you have to come up with a schedule. So then what you need to do is ChatGPT, depending on the prompt that you've given it. For example, you are building a nuclear plant maybe in Australia. So you can tell ChatGPT to give you a 3-month schedule on construction activities for this plant, and then ChatGPT will generate that for you. If there is something that is missing or something that you would want it to add more, you just say, please add sections for maintenance, add sections for finishes, add sections for maybe handing over of the plant, and ChatGPT will do that for you. And when it comes to cost estimation, so if you've got a layout, there is a plugin within ChatGPT. It's a PDF plugin. It can be able to analyze any details that are on a PDF. So let's say you've got a layout, a building layout on PDF. You can upload that on ChatGPT, and then you can give it a prompt to analyze what is in that PDF, and then if it's measurement, you can be able to instruct ChatGPT to do quantity takeoff for that kind of a layout plan. If it's a housing on PDF, and then it will come up with those quantities for you. When it comes to supply chain, AI models can optimize the supply chain by predicting the demand for materials, tracking inventory levels. They may also suggest the best routes for transportation. This helps in reducing waste, lowering costs, and ensuring timely delivery of materials. Customer interaction and support. AI can improve customer interaction by providing instant responses to queries and offering personalized recommendations. This enhances customer satisfaction and allows for better communication between clients and construction firms. And when it comes to environment impact analysis, AI tools can analyze construction plans to assess the environmental impact, suggesting more sustainable materials and practices. This helps in making construction more eco-friendly. The other item that we talked about is predictive maintenance. In construction equipment management, AI can predict when machinery will need maintenance or repair, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Also, labor training and skills development. ChatGPT or AI can be used for training purposes, providing workers with easy access to information and tutorials on various construction techniques and technologies. For example, you can give a ChatGPT prompt to advise you on how to safely do a certain task. Then ChatGPT will generate that for you instantly. Integration with other technologies. AI can be seamlessly integrated with other emerging technologies like building information modeling. This is BIM. We've talked about ArchiCAD. Drones. We have seen drones that are intelligent. They can negotiate their way through corners. They can intelligently analyze the surfaces, geographical areas, just like the Perseverance vehicle that was deployed to the planet Mars. That vehicle had to intelligently analyze the geographical locations on planet Mars before it landed. So that is pretty artificial intelligence, and the commands are autonomously executed by this machine. So these applications, drones, virtual reality, further enhancing the capabilities of the construction industry. This application shows that AI, including ChatGPT, is not just a tool for automating tasks, but is becoming an integral part of strategic planning, decision making, and innovation in the construction industry. So guys, this is a piece of technology that you cannot afford to let you to pass. So you need to check out the link that I've recommended to you, get the information that you need, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So until I see you next time, it's a bye-bye. Thank you.
Before you leave, our team will be very happy if you can give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.